Oh hey, welcome to 1172 South Miramar in beautiful Anaheim Hills. Now this 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse style condo is priced at $549,999 and it is beautiful. There are so many upgrades in this townhouse that really make it feel classy and really extra special. Now beginning with the Plantation Shutters. Now the thing I love about Plantation Shutters is of course they do add that touch of class and elegance. But here's the other benefit. With the Plantation Shutters throughout this home, you don't need to spend any money on window coverings once you do make the purchase. The other thing that's really awesome is the dark walnut kind of distressed hardwood flooring throughout. Now this hardwood flooring is throughout the downstairs, on the staircase, and also throughout most of the upstairs. So once again, it adds a touch of elegance and it's really easy to maintain. Now checking out this living area. Let's begin with a lot of room for your furniture. What I do really like also is here. Now behind the TV, there is original to construction is a fireplace. The seller chose to cover it, but if you wanted that fireplace brought back to its original state, you can do that. So just to let you know. Now the other thing, this unit is all about being open and inviting for entertaining family and friends. It also makes it feel a lot larger. Now one thing that's great about the kitchen, once again, it's open to the living area, so wonderful to connect with people. I love the granite countertops, and the appliances have all been upgraded with upgraded fixtures. Now the other thing that's really nice is it does have an extra half a bath downstairs for your guests. Once again, it's been upgraded with granite countertops and a really cool custom sink. Now also, what's really cool about this unit is it has a large indoor laundry room, big enough for 2 full-size washer dryers side by side. Now in addition, we all want a nice place to park our cars, right? This has a 2-car tandem garage that's attached to the unit itself. Now let's check out the upstairs. Okay, now checking out the second story, right off the bat, what I really love are the tall ceilings. This property feels so light and bright, and I think that's something a lot of us are looking for in a home. Plus also, this property has great energy. Now one thing I really love is of course the storage in both the top and bottom cabinets for linens and that sort of thing. Now here's something that's really cool. This particular townhouse condo has 2 master suites. Obviously that means separate bathrooms. Now stepping into the guest bedroom, look at the size of this. This guest bedroom is huge. You can either make it as a bedroom. Now the seller has chosen to built-in office area for his equipment, obviously computers, that sort of thing. So that's a cool feature. Love the Plantation Shutters once again. This also has a good sized master closet. Now stepping into the master bathroom, you'll find a great shower over tub and of course a nice sink. Everything's just white and clean and bright. Now stepping into the master bedroom, look at the size of this. There's all kinds of room for a king-size bed. Once again, I love the Plantation Shutters. I really like the balcony outside too. Such a great place for a cup of coffee in the morning or a glass of wine in the evening. Now, the other thing I like is the master bedroom bath are open. You'll find double sinks, of course. There's a good-sized shower over tub and a great spacious, of course, master closet. And this beautiful townhouse style condo can be your next dream home. This is Jules Wilson. I'm with Seven Gables Real Estate. Give me a call. I'd love to help you and schedule you a private tour.